All right, Southern Cruisers here. Today we're going to be smoking wings on the Recteq 700. Stay tuned. Hey, Southern Cruisers here. This is the day before Mother's Day. My wife and my mother-in-law, they have asked for chicken wings for Mother's Day, so we're going to show you how we make chicken wings smoked on the Recteq grill, and we're going to make a variety of different sauces that we're going to finish them in. But first, the day before, normally I like to buy the chicken wings that already come in flats and drums. Like we go to Costco, we get the party pack, but today I went to Kroger and I got the full wing, so no problem. We're going to show you how we get the kitchen shears and we cut them. Throw this little tippy thing here away that nobody wants, and that goes in the garbage. These go in the pan for seasoning once we're done. I like the drums. Wifey likes the flats, and darling daughter, who's shooting the video for us right now, likes the flats. So we keep them separate so that people can easily get what they want. And this is how we do that part of it. We'll show you the seasoning part here in a minute. Hey, all right, it's time to season our wings. We got them in the pan over here. We got our drums on this side. That's what I like. We got our flats. First of all, we're going to give them a binding agent. Today we're going to use olive oil. Going to coat them real good with some olive oil so that the spices that we're going to use will stick to them. I'm going to try to keep this hand semi-clean and use this hand to dig in there. I may put a little bit more oil in there. This stuff, we love using olive oil on our chicken. Okay, now, so this is the spice that Angela made up. And you want to tell them what's in it?
Oh, it's a little onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper. Just kind of basic.
Basic sauce, huh? Because we're going to be finishing our wings after they're done with like buffalo sauce and other sauces to make them, to flavor them up after they
got me a little habanero mango sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings, but that'll be done afterwards.
So after we're done seasoning them, we're going to put the tops on them, put them in the fridge. And we're doing this tonight so we don't have to do it tomorrow. Obviously, you don't have to do this the day before. We just like to. Okay, we've had the Recteq 700 preheating. It's now at 400 degrees. We're ready to put our chicken wings on. We seasoned them and we got them all trimmed up yesterday. We're going to start with the drums. I like to put the drums on one side and the flats on the other. We're going to cook these at 400. Come back and check them in a little bit to make sure that they're cooking right, and we'll eventually flip them about halfway through the cook. Should take about 1 hour. All right, check back with you. Got them seasoned up, ready to go. We got our drums on the left. We got our flats on the right. This is about 55 wings. I could probably easily put 60 on there. Let's go. Cooking, they've been cooking for about 40 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over. What we're shooting for is a temp between 175 and 85. They're already well on their way. This is what they look like now. I'm gonna flip all of these over and cover them back up, and we'll check back with y'all in just a few minutes. All right, the wings are ready. I've checked them. They're all at an internal temp that is at least 185. Like I said, you want to get it between 175 and 185. That way the connective tissues has a chance to break down. You want to cook them a little bit more. Usually with chicken, we go to 165, but with wings, I'll go as high as 185, but not too much more than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them off. This is how they look. These are just smoked wings, just a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, salt, stuff like that. We're going to pull them off. We're going to put I like to keep them separate because my family is bougie, and some like flats and some like drums. So we're going to keep all the drums on one side. We're gonna keep all the flats on the other side. And in a moment, we're gonna take you inside and show you how the magic happens when we start actually saucing them up. All right, we got some wings. What sauce is this, Kaylee?
This is the mango habanero sauce.
Mango habanero sauce. All right, let's go. This is what I want, by the way, is mango habanero. We've got garlic Parmesan sauce, we've got buffalo, and we've got mango habanero. Look at that right there. That looks pretty. All right, good job, Kaylee. Okay, we have some drums now. We got some drums in the garlic Parmesan, some drums in the mango habanero, and drums in the buffalo sauce. I'm fixing to shake those up so I can get some of those. More. Hey, all right. We got our sauces all ready. We've got our wing sauce. This is my plate. The mama's already eaten and daddy's fixing to eat too. Y'all have a great day.